Few motorcycles command attention quite like the Harley Davidson Breakout. Over the years, it has become an icon of muscle cruiser styling, built for riders who crave both raw performance and unmistakable road presence. In 2025, Harley Davidson has sharpened its approach, delivering a Breakout that not only preserves the essence of American freedom, but also adapts to modern demands for comfort, control, and cutting-edge technology. The result is a machine that looks aggressive standing still, roars with untamed power on the open road, and offers an unexpectedly refined riding experience. This video takes a deep dive into the 2025 Breakout, exploring its design evolution, engine character, riding dynamics, and the subtle yet impactful upgrades that make it one of Harley-Davidson's standout offerings this year. A bold statement in design. The 2025 Breakout is not a motorcycle for the timid. Its long, low-slung stance immediately communicates confidence, with stretched lines that highlight its muscular profile. The extended rake of the front fork, the wide rear tire, and the aggressive drag-style handlebars give it the aura of a factory custom, a look that many riders spend years of aftermarket modifications to achieve. Harley-Davidson has stayed true to the Breakout's DNA by emphasizing visual drama. From the chrome detailing to the polished finishes, the motorcycle embodies craftsmanship and heritage. At the same time, the updated paint schemes and modern LED lighting bring a contemporary edge. This balance between tradition and evolution is central to Harley's appeal, and the Breakout demonstrates it beautifully. The heart of the beast, Milwaukee 8 117. Central to the Breakout's identity is its engine, and for 2025, Harley-Davidson equips the cruiser with the Milwaukee 8 117. This air and oil-cooled V-twin is the most potent engine offered in Harley's factory lineup, and it defines the riding experience. With a displacement of 1,923 cubic centimeters, the engine produces immense torque at low revs, delivering instant thrust the moment the throttle is twisted. The Milwaukee 8's power delivery is visceral but smooth, with a deep exhaust note that resonates with Harley's unmistakable signature rumble. Riders will find that acceleration feels effortless, whether cruising along a boulevard or surging onto a highway. The abundance of torque makes gear shifts feel optional at times, adding to the sense of commanding the road with raw mechanical force. Handling, beyond a straight line. Traditionally, motorcycles in the Breakout's category have been designed more for straight-line cruising than corner-carving agility. However, Harley-Davidson has refined the 2025 Breakout's chassis and suspension to improve stability and control without sacrificing its dominant stance. The bike rides on a soft-tail frame that delivers rigidity while maintaining the look of a classic hardtail. This provides a planted feel, even when navigating sweeping curves or uneven surfaces. The wide 240mm rear tire enhances straight-line stability, though it naturally demands more effort in tighter turns. Riders who are used to sportier machines may find the Breakout's turning radius a challenge, but within its design philosophy, the bike feels surprisingly composed. The forward controls and low seat height contribute to a stretched, commanding riding position, giving the sense of riding something larger than life while still feeling connected to the machine. Comfort meets muscle. One of the biggest updates to the 2025 Breakout is the subtle yet meaningful focus on rider comfort. Harley-Davidson has introduced improved ergonomics to make long-distance cruising more practical. The saddle is sculpted for better lower back support, while the foot peg and handlebar placement reduces strain on extended rides. The suspension, though still tuned for firmness to match the cruiser's muscular character, has been reworked for greater compliance. Small bumps and imperfections on the road no longer jar the rider as they once might have, making the Breakout a more versatile choice for weekend getaways as well as city cruising. Passenger accommodations are minimal, in line with the Breakout's design philosophy as a solo rider's dream. Still, Harley offers customization options, including upgraded seats and backrests for those who wish to share the ride. Technology without compromise. While Harley-Davidson is steeped in tradition, the The 2025 Breakout integrates modern technology where it enhances the ride without overshadowing the raw experience. The digital display, neatly integrated into the handlebar riser, provides essential information in a clean, uncluttered format. Speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip data are all easily accessible at a glance. ABS and traction control are standard, ensuring safety in diverse conditions without interfering with the rider's sense of control. For many, this subtle inclusion of technology represents the ideal balance. Enhanced safety without diluting the raw character that defines Harley-Davidson. Customization, the Harley way. No Harley-Davidson is complete without personalization, and the 2025 Breakout is no exception. Riders can choose from a wide range of factory accessories, from performance exhaust systems and upgraded air intakes to chrome detailing and custom seats. Paint options are bold, with everything from classic gloss black to vibrant metallic finishes, allowing riders to express individuality through their machines. This focus on customization is central to Harley's brand. The Breakout, already dramatic in its stock form, becomes a blank canvas for creativity. Many owners embrace this culture, transforming their bikes into reflections of their own identity. Who is the Breakout for? The 2025 Breakout is designed for riders who want more than just transportation. It's built for those who crave attention, performance, and the visceral connection of a big V-twin engine. It appeals to those who prioritize style and presence, who want to own the boulevard with a motorcycle that feels like an extension of their personality. It may not be the first choice for riders seeking nimble handling or touring practicality. Instead, it occupies a distinct niche, the power cruiser that offers muscle car-like dominance on two wheels. It's a motorcycle for those who enjoy the long view down the road, the sensation of commanding torque, and the thrill of rolling up to a stoplight knowing every eye is on them. The verdict: the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. It combines heritage styling with modern performance, comfort, and technology in a package that embodies Harley-Davidson's legacy while keeping pace with contemporary expectations. From its commanding stance to the roar of the Milwaukee 8 117, the Breakout delivers an experience that is both thrilling and deeply satisfying. For those who seek a bike that blends attitude, presence, and unfiltered power, the 2025 Breakout stands as one of Harley-Davidson's most compelling offerings. It's not a machine built to please everyone, and that's precisely its charm.